Do you long for a home that feels calm, clean, and truly connected to nature? Imagine stepping into a bathroom bathed in soft daylight, where every surface invites you to breathe deeper, slow down, and let go. Where tranquility isn't just an idea, it's built into every tile, beam, and reflection. Welcome to the Scandinavian bathroom, a sanctuary shaped by simplicity, crafted from natural materials, and illuminated by intentional design. In this video, we're uncovering 20 stunning bathroom designs that embody this Nordic philosophy of peaceful living. Whether you're renovating or simply dreaming, these spaces offer inspiration for creating a retreat where you can reset, refresh, and reconnect. Let's explore the very best of Scandinavian interior ideas, each design a masterclass in minimalist elegance, functional beauty, and timeless serenity. A sculptural freestanding tub anchors the room, placed perfectly in front of tall grid windows that flood the space with daylight. Whitewashed shiplap walls, sheer curtains, and woven pendant lights create an atmosphere of airy elegance. Raw stools and leafy plants soften the geometry, transforming the bathroom into a private, light-filled retreat. Floating oak vanities, twin circular mirrors, and soft horizontal blinds bring together warmth and precision. Every element serves a purpose, yet nothing feels mechanical. The room breathes with calm efficiency, showcasing how Scandinavian design finds luxury in clarity and proportion. Olive green vertical tiles hug a minimalist white bathtub layered over a beige floor. A wooden vanity and organic textures, from woven baskets to soft linen, enhance the natural palette. It's a design rooted in the forest, inviting both freshness and quietude. The soft blush-toned walls paired with natural light streaming through the tall window bathe the space in warmth. A smooth, freestanding bathtub is raised on a wooden platform, forming the tranquil centerpiece of the room. A large circular mirror reflects soft foliage and daylight, expanding the visual space while adding organic softness. Indoor plants, a small wooden stool with neatly stacked towels, and a textured rug contribute to the high ambience, a cozy hallmark of Nordic living. A sloped ceiling lets in daylight through skylights, while glass walls blur the boundaries with the garden outside. Pale woods and restrained furniture invite stillness and mindfulness. This hybrid design channels both Japanese Wabi-Sabi and Nordic tranquil, immersive escape. Rough textured white walls, exposed ceiling beams, and a carved stone tub celebrate imperfection and natural beauty. With its neutral palette and meditative layout, this bathroom invites reflection, showing that elegance can be found in restraint and rawness. A round, monochrome tub and linear tiles form a symphony of stillness. Here, emptiness isn't lack, it's a conscious design choice. Free of clutter, the space encourages a slower pace and a clearer mind. Arched windows and light oak cabinetry meet soft curves and Mediterranean light. It's where the sun-drenched soul of the South meets Nordic discipline, bringing warmth and softness into the minimalist frame. A once-forgotten attic becomes a bright oasis with skylights, white subway tiles, and floating vanities. Smart spatial use and serene tones give it both function and soul, proof that serenity doesn't require square footage, only thoughtful design. A once-forgotten attic becomes a bright oasis with skylights, white subway tiles, and floating vanities. Smart spatial use and serene tones give it both function and soul, proof that serenity doesn't require square footage, only thoughtful design. An artistic pendant hangs above a sculpted tub, while floating vanities and matte black fixtures introduce dramatic contrast. Clean lines and shadow play transform the bathroom into a gallery of geometric grace. Full-height glass walls open to nature's embrace, while blonde wood and soft linens create warmth within. This bathroom becomes a garden retreat, one where architecture and earth coexist in peaceful dialogue. Glossy green tiles bounce light off concrete, sinks, and raw wood shelving. Vibrant but grounded, this design pairs botanical energy with Scandinavian restraint, delivering freshness without frenzy. Patterned tiles, arched mirrors, and brushed brass fixtures invite joy. Here, minimalism isn't solemn, it smiles. Every touch of color or curve is purposeful, creating a light-hearted yet elegant atmosphere. Stone-clad walls and herringbone wood floors create textural richness. Matte fixtures and clean lines offer contrast, while the tactile materials speak to the senses. It's a space that doesn't just clean you, leave it renewed. Cream-toned vertical tiles wrap around a carved marble tub beneath soft arched niches. Subtle wood accents warm the space, offering a sense of luxury that whispers rather than shouts. A grand arched window frames twin vanities and softly gleaming brass taps. The symmetry offers comfort and visual peace. It's not just balanced, it's emotionally grounding. A raised basin sits atop a rattan vanity, framed by soft green tiles and woven lighting. Organic materials layer gently, creating a serene yet textured space where every object has meaning. Matte black taps, fluted glass, and a dramatic sculptural tub form a bold palette. Yet the space remains light and spacious, embodying the Scandinavian love for contrast wrapped in calm. The freestanding bathtub becomes the room's heart, surrounded by open wood shelving and golden details. This layout celebrates functionality without sacrificing aesthetics, turning daily rituals into moments of joy. Scandinavian bathrooms aren't just a trend, they're a timeless philosophy of living with care and clarity. They remind us that peace begins with intention, that design can soothe, and that even the smallest spaces can bring us closer to nature. Which design called to your soul? Drop a comment below, and if this video inspired your own home journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mindful, minimalist design ideas. Because maybe peace isn't a destination, it's how you begin your morning. See you in the next video.